Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Executive Director, IBA Dr. Akbar Zaidi, Guest of Honor, Madam Sultana Siddiqui, esteemed members of the Board of Governors, distinguished faculty, honored guests, proud parents, and most importantly, the graduating class of 2024, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. It's indeed a privilege to stand before you today at this momentous occasion, celebrating your hard work and achievements. It is really an honor to be at the convocation 2024 of the Institute of Business Administration, Karachi, the second most leading education institute of Pakistan, the first being about a kilometer this way, my alma mater, the NED University of Engineering and Technology. IBA Karachi has long been a beacon of academic excellence, shaping the brightest minds of our nation. It is institutions like these that prepare leaders, innovators, and visionaries who will take Pakistan into the future. This convocation is a special occasion made even more momentous by the announcement that IBA will mark a historic achievement next year, 70 years of excellence in education, innovation, and leadership. On behalf of the Government of Sindh and as patron of IBA, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to this esteemed institution on this extraordinary milestone. 70 years of nurturing talent, shaping leaders is a legacy few institutions can claim, and it stands as a testament to the dedication and vision of IBA's faculty, administration, and students. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the most distinguishing aspects of IBA Karachi is its exceptional faculty, with 67% holding PhD degrees. This commitment to academic rigor and research excellences creates a learning environment where students engage with cutting-edge developments, push boundaries, and prepare themselves for leadership roles in a dynamic world. Another remarkable strength of IBA Karachi is the influential alumni network of over 18,000 individuals who are making significant contributions across various sectors. Their accomplishments reflect not just their abilities, but also the quality of education and mentorship that IBA provides. They serve as an inspiration for you all. Enough about IBA. I'd like to address the graduates now. To the graduates, congratulations on reaching this milestone. I'm sure your journey was not without challenges, yet you persevered. Today, you are equipped not just with degrees, but with the knowledge, character, and courage to make meaningful contributions to society. As you step out in the world, I want to remind you that true leadership extends beyond personal success. It lies in your ability to contribute meaningfully to the society. Whether you pursue careers in corporate sector, public service, or non-profits, let your actions reflect the values of empathy, integrity, and service to the community. I would like to take this moment to highlight the Government of Sindh's unwavering commitment to higher education. Over the years, we have provided financial support to all the public sector universities, including IBA Karachi, to ensure that the infrastructure, faculty development, and scholarship programs remained world-class. These investments reflect our belief in nurturing institutions that can compete globally while contributing to Pakistan's progress. IBA is a testament to what public-private collaboration can achieve in education. Furthermore, I am proud to acknowledge IBA's collaboration with Stanford University's D School. This partnership will introduce design thinking and innovation frameworks that will transform how students approach problem solving and entrepreneurship. Such initiatives not only enhance academic rigor, but also ensure that graduates are equipped with the tools to address real-world challenges with creativity and resilience. The government of Sindh is pleased to be part of this initiative. My dear graduates, as you step into the world, remember your responsibility to give back to the community. Pakistan needs your leadership, creativity, and determination, whether in business, technology, or in public service. You hold the power to drive progress and solve the challenges of tomorrow. However, the true measure of success lies in how you use this power of knowledge to create positive changes and uphold the highest standards of integrity. Before I conclude, I extend my gratitude to the faculty and the families for their unwavering support and guidance to the graduates. Your contributions are invaluable in shaping these graduates into the remarkable individuals that they are today. To the graduates, never forget the invaluable contribution in shaping you by your teachers and the sacrifices your families might have made. Class of 2024, your future is bright and your potential is limitless. Carry forward the values of hard work and integrity that IBA instilled in you. Believe in yourself, for you are the architects of a prosperous Pakistan. As you embark upon the next phase of your lives, I urge you to dream big, take bold but calculated risks, and remain steadfast in your commitment to excellence. Embrace the challenges ahead with confidence and responsibility, for they will shape you into the leaders our country needs. Congratulations once again, and may success follow you in every endeavor. Thank you, and may Allah bless you.